A boy they a freak you never know.
Alright, Deva Bratt is on a roll. A very troublesome role. Now, do I think Kartel is going to respond? I doubt it. I think Deva Bratt is trying to generate his career back from the dead. But however, Deva Bratt is a great artist. We're not going to take that from him. Exceptional artist. Great artist. Never ever downplay him talent and everything. But however, I have a song named Return of the Bratt. I guess this is a remake of Return of the Mac. If you guys know that hit song. So make a step into Deva Bratt warfare and listen. Now remember, like, comment, share, subscribe.
A boy they a freak you never know. Him suck y'all toe from Tokyo. You know I know so bad man story go. Down to the DISS.
Voilà. We can start it back right there, sir.
A boy they a freak you never know. Him suck y'all toe from Tokyo. You know I know so bad man story go. Down to the DISS now I got the flow. Nuclear never knew it from the.
No, I kind of fuck with that. Down to digital, no, I have the flow. You see me? And that is self-explanatory. You understand? Yeah.
Start until gunshot tear his leg apart. Him the one fi power again until you show him not a friend. Teacher, you lie to me. All those times when you supposed to go dig up shoes, you.
Deva Bratt creative, bro. Like I have been saying this, bro. Deva Bratt is a creative artist, bro. Like he's a good artist, bro. It's just the whole allegations against him fuck him up.
Lie to me. Shawty go fuck and you cry. She never deny. You lie to me. You wouldn't do the same thing fanboys do for you. You lie to me. You're a freaky guy. You're more of a fly. Return of the Bratt. Return of the Bratt.
I ain't gonna lie, yo. I fuck with it. I ain't gonna lie. I fuck with it, bro.
Return of the Bratt. You know. Return of the Bratt. Return of the Bratt. Return of the Bratt. You know.
Like, comment, share, subscribe.
In the game and I put out songs again. I'm trending up the ranks again. Shatta Wally love it when he make the people know. Looks like he proposed at the show.
Time out. Disrespectful to Shatta Wally. No, it was just a respect. It was just a respect thing. No, we're not going to turn that and make it seem as if it was some gay shit or anything like that. It was a matter of respect. Alright? So I'm gonna take off a points for that because that was just a show of respect. Alright? So no, we're not gonna agree with that one.
Though you know that he was wrong, well you never say get above your knees, young man. People are listen carefully. Sing along if you know the song. Teacher, you lied to me. I thought you said you don't eat prison food. You lied to me. But you do. You lied.
At this point, you see that it seemed a little bit comedic to me, but let's listen.
About the things you said you'd never do. You lied to me. Fundraise you freaking to me if you wonder what them do to you. Return of the Bratt. Return of the Bratt. Return of the Bratt. You know. Return of the Bratt. Return.
Don't get me wrong. There are some pointers in there that does seem, you know, like, okay, it might have something now going here, so. However, on the other hand, it seems very comedic. If it sounds like a like a comedy show at this point.
Return of the Bratt. Return of the Bratt. You know. Them are no king, shit in a plate, shit in a bag. Them fear me, just like the spirit of God. Them pit me a wonder.
No, hold up. This nigga came with something here.
The spirit of God. Shit in a bag. Them are no king, shit in a plate, shit in a bag. Them fear me, just like the spirit of God. Them pit me a wonder if them a dad.
Them fear me just like the spirit of God. Them are no king, them are shit in a bag, shit in a plate. That tough! That tough!
Yes, well, big like it is a frog. Foot on no eye from Sean, you know see him a jog. Big transmission, no give him a flap. For 13 years, him go sleep on a slab. Come out with him pants a sand, I must have fag. Deva Bratt is back in full effect, full court.
No, Deva Bratt just a go find man them so. Jaja. Man saying that Sean spent 13 years in a jail, come out, look like a fog. You know, she say him a drag. Which is drag queen. I'm 100% sure say a Ocean Storm come out of Freedom Street.
Put crap in on air. Disrespect me, no take me pick up the take and select. Aim to the target, defect it again. Deva with the psycho waves, Ryko wave. Them know me head hotter than a microwave. And gonna rifle wave. We know you are coward, so no go along like you're brave. You like to.
Alright, that verse was tough. That verse took shot at a lot of people. So that verse was I'm gonna give that verse a 10 out of 10. No, I'm gonna give it a 8.5. I'm gonna give it an 8.5. I'm gonna give it an 8.5. And the reason why I give it an 8.5, I think he could have done more. I think he could have said more.
All those times when you supposed to me go dig up shoes. You lie to it. Shawty go fuck and you cry. She never deny. You lie to it. You wouldn't do the same thing fanboys do for you. You lie to it. You're a freaky guy. You're my roughy lie. Return of the Bratt. Return.
Like, comment, share, subscribe.
Return of the Bratt. Return of the Bratt. You know. Where's my fan? Return of the Bratt. Return of the Bratt. Return of the Bratt. You know.
That is hold on, I'm gonna see if I'm gonna say no outro or whatever. Alright, so that is the song. Alright. The first verse, I never really fuck with the first verse. But that last verse was a banger. No, don't get me wrong. Deva Bratt is a great artist. His delivery is normally better than this. And but it does sound like old school Deva Bratt, that's for sure. One thing I must say is that the song sound very comedic to me. It sounds like it's just a comedy show now, and I'm glad him drop song often because you have very great Deva Bratt fans out there, are loyal Deva Bratt fans out there, I should say, that would love to hear more from Deva Bratt musically. However, taking shots at Kartel is a strategic thing to do as well, especially if you want your name to get out there. But at some point, you have to know when to stop, especially when you're not getting a response. And it's not like you're not getting a response off music. You're not getting a response even off an Instagram, TikTok, or Twitter post. He's just literally ignoring you. But yes, your songs are streaming again. But however, what we need is just regular music. Just regular gun song, regular girl song. Regular song we can, you know, people can vibe to. A man can say, make a link up Deva Bratt and get a dub plate, or make a link up Deva Bratt and do some work with him. You see me? Now, quite frankly, I don't care, because obviously you don't care who you work with in terms of. Hold on. It's raining, guys, and I'm tired. Quite frankly, you don't care. As you can tell me, I didn't red down. I don't smoke. For quite frankly, you can tell you don't care about which producer you work with. However, I think that is a very dark road to head down. Because I think you should at least leave yourself open for possibilities and opportunities. So disrespecting VYBZ KARTEL is going to let a lot of producers say, nah, not gonna work with you, because we all know how Jamaica is. That's how it runs. They stick with the person who they can make more money from, which I think everywhere does. So with that being said, I think the song deserves a 7.5. It's not a bad song, but I just think the front of the song, the beginning of the song, the first verse was just not it for me. Alright, but the last verse, that's what we want. That Deva Bratt, that creativity we need. You see me? So like, comment, share, subscribe. Comment down below. Let me know if you think what I said is wrong. And I will definitely read the comments and reply. So see you guys in the next one, because Big Zaw is tired.